In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent banner in Squarespace. This is a very quick and useful setting to turn on, especially if you want your website visitors to be informed about cookie usage in a clear and professional way. A cookie consent banner can help improve transparency on your site and, depending on your region and audience, it may also support your privacy compliance setup. The good news is that in Squarespace, enabling this feature only takes a moment. To begin, log into your Squarespace website so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is where your site settings are located. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings panel. After the settings menu opens, look for the option called Cookies and Data Privacy. This is the section where Squarespace gives you control over privacy-related features for your website, including the cookie banner. Click into Cookies and Data Privacy to continue. Now that you're inside that section, find the setting for the cookie banner. You'll see an option to enable it. Turn that setting on. Once it's enabled, Squarespace will display the cookie consent banner on your website for visitors, based on the platform's built-in behavior and privacy settings. And that's all you need to do. The cookie consent banner is now added to your Squarespace site. As a quick tip, after enabling it, it's a good idea to preview your website and check how the banner appears on the front end. That way you can confirm everything is showing properly and that the experience feels smooth for visitors. If you manage traffic from different regions, this is especially helpful, so you can make sure your privacy messaging is active where needed. This is one of those small settings that can make your site feel more complete and trustworthy, and since Squarespace has made it so simple, it's definitely worth turning on if you need it. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add cookie consent banner in Squarespace.